Welcome to LifeGuru, your go-to channel for personal growth and learning. Today, we're diving into a topic that's incredibly valuable for all students out there: effective study techniques and time management. Whether you're in school or pursuing further education, these techniques will help you study smarter, not harder. Let's jump right in. 1. Set clear goals. First things first, setting clear goals is essential. Define what you want to achieve in your studies, whether it's acing a test, completing assignments, or mastering a subject. Having specific goals keeps you focused and motivated. Share your current study goal in the comments below. Let's support each other on this journey. 2. Prioritize tasks. Effective time management begins with prioritization. List your tasks and assignments based on their importance and deadlines. This way, you tackle what matters most and avoid last-minute stress. Grab a pen and paper and make your priority list right now. Trust me, it's a game changer. 3. The Pomodoro Technique. Have you heard of the Pomodoro Technique? It's a fantastic way to boost focus and productivity. Set a timer for 25 minutes, fully dedicate yourself to studying, then take a 5-minute break. Repeat this cycle. It's simple yet effective. Try a Pomodoro session while watching this video. It's like a mini study session together. 4. Active learning. Active learning beats passive reading any day. Summarize your notes, teach concepts to someone, even if it's your pet, or create flashcards. Engaging with the material actively helps with better retention. Test yourself. What's the most memorable thing you've learned today? Let's hear it. 5. Limit multitasking. While multitasking might seem like a time saver, it's actually counterproductive. Focus on one task at a time to improve concentration and understanding. Let's challenge ourselves to single tasking for the next study session. Trust me, it works wonders. Congratulations, you now have a toolkit of effective study techniques and time management strategies. Remember, studying isn't just about the quantity of time but the quality of your approach. If you found these tips helpful, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to LifeGuru for more educational content. Until next time, keep learning, growing, and achieving your academic goals. Stay motivated and shine bright.